So we're going to be doing a recap of the first experiments we've ever done with MEL Science. I'm really impressed.
Yeah.
I honestly love it. I would definitely go back to them for more kits, especially since they have a 2-in-1, which is really nice. Because most of the time what happens for me is they go so quick. It's like sometimes it's just like, wow, that was really fast. But they've got 2, really nice. We did it with the there's a dope camera lens, really nice.
Yeah.
That's how
That came with the kit?
That came with the kit. Great footage. Yeah. Oh, and these things are like extremely soft. So like if you touch it.
Yeah. Before.
And if they're extremely soft, that means they're extremely breakable.
So how many stars would you give it, Cullen?
I would give it 5, and also
Out of 5.
Yeah, and also I kind of broke that part because
wanted to touch it.
Yeah.
Braden, what do you say?
Oh, I say definitely 100%.
All right, 2 thumbs up from MEL Science. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.